going on, everyone? It is a beautiful day here on the coast of Oregon. I'm actually packing up for a bit of a work trip right now. I'm heading out to the Portland area, going to be filming a restoration project with Trout Unlimited out there. Should be super interesting work, but because it is out in the middle of nowhere, I will be camping tonight, which means I'm leaving early today, Wednesday, to try and get there with plenty of time to do some fishing because there's some good trout streams in the area. Anyways, we're packing up now, getting the gear together. We're gonna hit the road, try and get a good 3 hours of fishing in today. Hopefully we can get into some cutthroat, some rainbows, and see what we can find. So I'm gonna pack you guys along and let's go hit the road. Oh, we just had one bite right in the middle here. What the heck? I can't believe that. Oh, tiny little guy. That's so cool. So there are definitely fish here. Wow, I haven't fished the 5-weight in a minute. Oh, there we go. First fish on. First fish on. What do we got? Oh, he's off. Dang. Ate the dry. Just waiting for the right size one to bite. There we go. Oh, nope, that's tiny. Ah. Well, first fish is not a big one by any means. What do we have here? It looks like a salmon. Not quite sure. Very pretty fish though. Back in. I can't even swallow this thing. I didn't use that big of a fly for that purpose. It's as soon as it's hitting the water, we're on it. Woo! That guy came clear out for it. Come on, bigger fish. There we go. Super tiny. How did he stay on? Whatever this little guy is what's hitting my line every cast. He's cute, but you gotta grow up a little bit, dude. Yeah, we got a couple of salmon right here, so that's cool. So they're up here, no doubt. Well, spot one ended up only being microfish and dead salmon, so not what we were hoping to get into today. I'm gonna go find a camp spot. If I find one that's on the river, I'm gonna make a few more casts, but I'm not set on it for the night. So let's go see if we can find somewhere cool to camp, and then hopefully tomorrow after work I have a few hours at least to go out and really chase some of these beautiful fish. I'll show you my camp when I get there. It's like every cast, it's just 50 little fish smacking it. There's got to be hundreds of them in there, which is cool to see. Man, we got some weeding through to do. There we go. What do we got? Oh, our first cutty. Oh, he's off. Well, that was a cutthroat. Cool to see. We can catch cutthroat in this creek. Woo. Oh my god. This is insane. Another cutty. So first it was the attack of... Well, actually, yeah, no, that's a cutthroat. There you go. Really pretty little fish. That's not a bad one. No, never mind, that's pretty small. Now that is a rainbow. Yep, so different spot pattern. Definitely a rainbow there. Potentially a juvenile steelhead. Alright, we're gonna cross the river real quick. Alrighty, here we go. This is looking nice. We got a pretty deep pool right here. Some good water around it. This could be our spot up around this bend. This entire section's looking juicy. There we go. It's a little bit better fish. Is that a whitefish? All right, our first decent bow of the trip. There you go, wild bow. Back in. It's literally getting hit every time I lay it down. Ooh, that was a better fish. There we go. It's so cool. You can see the flash when it's a good one. Oh, Andy's off. That's okay. Pretty much a catch. Oh, right up by the rock. Wow. Oh. Oh my god, I see fish just destroying it underwater. Once I find a spot with larger fish, I'll set up the big camera. Holy crap. This is crazy. That's the hole Terry was talking about. But I can't not fish this. Look at how good this looks. Well, these fish are all too small to really even be targeting. So I'm gonna switch it up to the streamer. Give the streamer a shot, see if we can't find the bigger ones mixed in here. the fishiness I was hoping for. We're gonna cross here though and fish this really deep pool down here where I got some advice to check out. So last shot right here. Let's give it all we got. Another 30, 40 minutes and we're out of here. Alrighty, y'all, one final spot after that nice swim. We're coming to the confluence of the two big rivers in the area. Yep. Well, you guys, that is a wrap for today's video. I tried hard, I'm telling you, I tried hard to try and find any sort of size of the fish, but could only find the small ones today. Don't know if it was my fly selection, location, time of year, but I've definitely found a new area that I'm very interested in exploring more. It's beautiful out here, there's not a lot of people, and yeah, overall super happy with getting a little bit of fishing in during a work trip. Can't complain about that. Hopefully I can share the restoration project that I filmed today with you guys at some point soon. It was very fun to film. Big thanks to Terry and Carrie from Trout Unlimited and from Forest Service. So overall, great trip. Super happy with how it went. Still caught some fish and I can't complain. So until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next episode.